Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in this beautiful community in Apopka. You can see here this home has brand new exterior paint. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a pool, and it's on an amazing corner lot with bright, beautiful landscaping. Mike's here in the window looking out, and he will show you the inside.
Hey everyone, come on in and let's check out this beautiful home. So this is a well taken care of home. Obviously the homeowners did have some pride of home ownership here. And as you can see, we do have a nice open area. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go around and show you, this is the actual 4th bedroom, but it's currently being used as an office. What's really neat about this one here is that we do have the closet, but over on this side, we do have a door that goes through to the primary bedroom. So this could be used as a nursery or an office or as a regular bedroom, whatever you desire. So let's go ahead and go this direction. Now, we did have some ceramic tile on the floor for the entrance, but then we go to this beautiful laminate floor that goes throughout the main living area. This first area they have set up as like a little formal living area, sitting area. Could also be a formal dining room if you so desire, whatever you like to put in that area. And then of course, our main family room is right here. They have the TV put here, then of course the couch, so you can sit here and enjoy watching whatever movies that you want. We also have really nice vaulted ceilings above us, and everything's just well kept in this home. So as we go, we actually go from this beautiful laminate to a ceramic tile floor again, and then we have this other area over here, which they currently have as a bar, but you could use it however you like. But it's really nicely set up for a bar, especially with the outdoor living that we're going to be showing you in a little bit. That's outside. It's one of the most beautiful landscape properties I've seen in a while. And then we do have another room over here that they're currently using as their formal dining room. Got enough seats here for 6 people, and a nice light fixture coming down. So let's go ahead and show you the kitchen. And Amanda, tell them a little bit about the kitchen.
I'll take you through the kitchen and the remaining bedrooms. You can see this is beautiful countertops, granite with the tile backsplash. You have your glass cabinets up here for displaying your dishes. All stainless steel appliances included. And then you have your pantry space here, giving you lots of storage. I love that it's an indoor laundry. You have your laundry room, and then your 2-car garage. And back this way, you have your 2 bedrooms shared by a full-size bathroom with the shower and tub. You have the carpet in the bedrooms. This is your 2nd bedroom and your 3rd bedroom over here. Ceramic tile flooring, and then the upgraded laminate flooring. Again, Mike is going to take you over to the owner's suite.
Come on over, let's go and check this out. We go over to a really nice carpeted area, and then the first thing I'll do, the bedroom's over here, but we're gonna go over to our right and show you this area. We do have 2 closets, 1 closet on this side that goes in. It's a pretty nice walk-in closet, and then we do have another closet on this side as well, so you do have the 2 different closets. We come through this door, we go into the bathroom, we have our linen closet, and then of course we have our sinks. We have dual sinks, plenty of storage with drawers, nice mirror going all the way around, and then on the other side we do have a tub. We have our water closet here, and then the shower is on that side. Now, this is where that door was that goes into what's currently being used as an office. So if you did want to have a nursery here, that would obviously be really good. And that telescope, actually, the sellers of this house are friends of mine, and I actually gave him that telescope a while ago. He's a school teacher, and he wanted to use it for projects for school. So anyway, a little bit of different information there. But as we come over here, here is our primary bedroom suite. Plenty of space. We have a queen size bed, window on either side, and we still have those vaulted ceilings in here as well. And Sandy, if you can go ahead and go through there, I think Amanda will be outside and she'll show you what I think is the best part of the house, the outdoor living.
This is my favorite part. You can see you have this beautiful shaded covered lanai, screened in pool, which is solar heated. I'm not sure if Mike had mentioned, but you do have a newer AC, roof, lots of features, big ticket items that are already taken care of for you. Nice landscaping. And then we also have a pergola. So if you're not soaking in the tub, having a dip in the pool, you can enjoy your outdoor pergola. You have a fully fenced in backyard.
Don't trip, Amanda.
And then Mike sitting over here making his hilarious jokes.
This is really nice out here. So how much are they selling this house for?
This house is listed, or it will be listed at $400,000, and
I think that's a really, really good value. So if you're watching this video, we'll be posting this really soon as Standing Leaf falls over now. And if you're interested, make sure you give Amanda a call. Amanda, what's your phone number?
407-616-6271.
So, and if you need any other help with real estate, whether listing or buying, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you all for watching.
Thanks.